Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use famous.ai. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open famous.ai on your browser. Then you want to sign in or sign up using your account. Here I used my normal Google account. Then you should know that this application or this website turns your ideas into real apps. So you can use these apps and publish them. So now let me show you how to use it. You just have to use the type of the application that you want from this side right here: lifestyle, entertainment, social, productivity, business, online store, and so on. And let's say that I will create an online store. Now I will type my prompt. For example, let's say I need a store for esports products like merchandise, hats, caps, t-shirts, hoodies, and other clothes. And now let's see how it works. You can choose between the application to be on PC or to be on mobile by clicking on this option right here. Here it shows you the desktop view, and here it shows you the mobile view from the top right side. Now here it shows you exactly the process of the creation and how much time will it take. And now here it shows you exactly how will the website be like. Here you have the merchandise, the hoodies, the caps, and other products that you can actually find. Here you can click on edit and do the edits to the prompt or the codes that are actually creating your own website or your own application. And now after finishing, here you can see the website or the application, whatever you have. Here you can adjust the prices, you can adjust the names, you can do some edits, you can see the view without the editing options. Here you have the tabs, different pages inside the application or the website. So it is pretty much very easy, and it is very satisfying. It has a very satisfying results, and you just made a website, a full website, or a full application within minutes without doing any effort. You just type the prompt and it will do all the things to you. So you can even go and click on collection page, choose different pages and navigate to them. You can navigate to the search bar and try to use the search bar and check if there is any glitches. And even if you have a glitch, you can simply type here in the prompt that you want to solve this glitch. You can even upload some images to help you and assist you making the website or the application. You can here choose the code preview. Here you can see all the codes. If you are a programmer and you want to see and check all the codes that are used in this application or this website, here you have it. You can download it even. Here you have the database, the e-commerce, and so on. You have even the settings and the published section right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.